This is Everlast, yo.
Yeah. Quite a boss.
Tumechukua my photos. That was so much fun, and we danced like so much fun. And the reason you guys dance so much is because, of course, you started off as a dance team.
Yeah.
And then y'all decided to do music after backing up people dancing for them so many times. You're like, we might as well dance for our own video, right?
Of course.
Karibu, salimieni team straight up, yo. Hashtag team straight up. Watu wa nguvu.
What's up, people? What's up?
What's up?
Yeah.
What's up? Let me see. We're good. We are on.
Yeah.
Mic check. We good? We must hear everybody.
Wananisikia huko nyumbani?
Wasalimie tu salamu.
Natuma salamu kwa mama yangu wako pale karibuni, najua ananiona, nina point. Mama Uruo.
Alie. I love it. So you guys are from Busia. Are you all representing Busia?
Yeah.
All of you?
Yeah.
Let's start with our Luya names, please. Just for 2 seconds.
Hey, Baraza.
Wanyonyi.
Nasimiu.
Wahuria.
Manzi hadi yangu imekataa kutoka.
Okay, mic zenu zinafanya sasa. We have established that. Sawa. All right, cool. Let's keep it moving. You guys have a new jam, Tam Tam. Msiletea goody sasa msiletea Tam Tam.
Miss call.
I like it. And then it has its cadence.
Yeah, the Tam Tam dance. In fact, we have a Tam Tam challenge.
So you're also doing a straight Tam Tam challenge.
Yeah.
Which basically, I know how these challenges go. Y'all gotta like dance, do a video on WhatsApp or something, and
yeah, but this one is unique.
How unique is it?
Very unique.
Tell me.
Let me show you something. Jeff.
Yeah.
Give me something, Mr. T.
Hey.
You start now. This is how it goes. I'm the guy. She's a chick. Let's pretend she's a chick right now.
Okay.
All right. It's for the couples only.
Okay.
All right. Watch it.